Everybody, welcome back. This is Oscar. By the end of this video, you're gonna have a better idea of AMPToken, the price prediction, where are we looking this token, this coin, because a lot of you are asking me, what's gonna happen if I buy right now? Are we gonna see $1 soon? That's what I'm gonna be covering, just my personal opinions, and you will see if this is a great opportunity to make more money, because that's a channel about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, become part of the community. And if you're too busy to do all this homework, let me do it for you. Join my Patreon page, link down below, and I'll be there for you for every single question. Now, what we're going to be talking about today, everyone, is AMPToken. You're seeing my trading view, chart. I'm going to be showing you some indicators, some oscillators, and everything in between that I know about this coin. Because, nowadays, every single day, pretty much, I've been hearing on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and more coins coming to the market. And I get it. We're all excited. Alt season is high. But what about AMPToken? Like, I don't see too many people talking about it, but I like to talk about it. Why? Well, let me show you. Flexa, the global leader in the pure digital payments. Flexa offers the fastest, most fraud-proof payment network in the world. Now, take it with a grain of salt, right? Maybe it's a marketing tactic. But what I mean is, if this company is taking AMPToken as the main collateralized asset, right, for transactions purposes, that's something that I haven't really heard from any other token. In the last video, we compared Dogecoin to AMPToken. So we know that it's a digital collateral token, offers instant verifiable collateralization for any kind of value transfer, max supply 100 billion. As of the moment today, it's 10 billion according to coinmarket.com. You may see a different market cap later in another website, but that's what I found. The price at the moment as well is 7 cents. So we see what the AMPToken offers. And of course, it's not even in the top 10 or top 100 based on market capitalization. But the fact that Flexa, it's already taken it as a beautiful coin to run their operations, that to me really rings a tone to me. Now, going back to TradingView, what we're going to be doing is we're going to start from scratch here and see what's happening with AMPToken. Now, the first thing I want you to take a look is at this. Look at this. This coin started on September 15, 2020. And by this January 31st, 2021, literally the price of the token was anywhere in the vicinity of 1 cent to 1 cent. It was just 1 cent for a couple of months. So really everybody was talking about Dogecoin and all that good stuff, but nobody was talking about AMP. Not a problem. Then from the last day of January to mid-February, AMPToken jumped all the way to 5 cents, as you're seeing on the screen. And then it came back down, crashing to 2 cents. Okay? And then AMPToken right now had a huge run on April 16 to 6 cents and then to 7 cents. And it got to 8 cents really close, and now it's at 7 cents. So what we're taking a look at here is it started normal. Probably people didn't know, I'm sure, right? And now we see this volume on green coming all the way up, dropping down, people selling. Probably at the time people said, you know what, it's quick money, let's flip this coin and move on to the next one. Maybe SafeMoon, Shiba Inu, right now they're really hot. But let me tell you just something very personal, guys, as this is just my opinion. I want to stay for the long run on this one because, guys, people are saying AMPToken can be the PayPal of crypto. Why? Well, based on what Flexa is doing and based on the potential that this coin has for different digital payment transactions and companies, maybe other companies can, Flexa can lead AMPToken to other companies and they can use it as well. And at the moment, the only purpose of AMP is to collateralize value transfers, right? But the sky's the limit for this, as it's built on the Ethereum ERC20 network, but a blockchain. So I like that, being secure. Now, what we're looking here is just a nice average of 5 to 3 cents of Yeah, from 5.32 cents. That's what we're looking at, and this was all February and March, and the beginning of April. Not bad at all. Now, what happened here, guys, is what I liked, because this is when I came in, when I got notice of AMP on Gemini. That we're gonna be talking a little bit about that as well. So Gemini adopted AMP token early this year, and then boom. I mean, it seems that when the coin wasn't available on these secure places, it had this development of not changing because people just weren't aware. As soon as the coin was distributed and adopted to more brokers, bam, we're starting to see these changes. So I do agree that the more demand we see on AMP token, the more it's gonna grow. I see some of you saying that let's just shoot for the sky on AMP token, buy a lot, and have a Doge run, meaning to the moon, maybe to 70, 50 cents. If that happens, your boy is gonna be very happy. But I wouldn't be mad if AMP token continues to stay at this level, maybe 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents, 11 cents, and it takes months to get that level. Why? Because, like I said, I'm looking for a long-term coin like Ethereum. Let me just pause for a moment on AMP and show you why Ether is making me pretty much very wealthy. I am at $6,000. Let me just show you my 3 month. This was February 28th, and the last money I deposited on Gemini was about here, May something. The rest is gains on Ethereum. So, I mean, I've been talking on about Ethereum as well here on the channel. My last transactions, my last deposits on Gemini were to buy AMP, and I'm doing very well. Everything is profit at this time. So what I'm also going to show you are the indicators. So we're going to be going toward the Bollinger Bands. These are oscillators. So what I like about these oscillators, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit for you, is if you see the oscillator breaching the upper line that you see here, the green one, it's because it's above the median, right? Typically, you want to see the price following the white, that's the median price. When you see it break the upper one, it's time to sell. When you see breaking the lower one, it's time to buy, typically, right? But in this case, with Ethereum and with AMP token, I mean, it's to me a holding opportunity. Um, I don't see it really breaking the below line, the line below. It just keeps climbing, climbing, and climbing right here, breaking and breaking right here, and breaking right here. So this is an oscillator that can help you see when it's the best time to buy. For example, when you see AMP token breaching this line right here, maybe right here. Right now it's at this level, but once you see AMP token come back to the white line, right, and then possibly reach the below line, that will be a great time to buy. Of course, I mean, at the same time, we tend to be a little bit greedy and buy whenever because we want to jump on the board, jump in, and I'm not against that. Another oscillator that I also want to show you is the relative strength index. And this is somewhat like the one I show you, but it gives you, if again, it breaks this upper line, time to sell. I'm going to show you here so you see it. If it breaks the upper lane, it's time to sell. If it reaches the below line, it's time to buy. So in this case, I'm going to erase right here. You see how AMP token, I'm going to move this here, AMP token at the moment is in the upper side. So it's growing, it's faster growing. I believe I bought it somewhere right here, April, the last week of April. So it was already way past the line. Then it came back down close to the medium, and now it's coming back up. So moral of this story, guys, when you see AMP reaching these levels, time to buy, absolutely. Why? Because for me, it's a little bit difficult to put a price prediction on of AMP. Why? Well, I can say right here very easily, well, I think it's going to go to 50 cents, 30 cents because X, Y, and Z. But in reality, with cryptocurrencies, it can be true or it cannot be true. It's just very hard to tell. The only cryptocurrencies that I will say it's a little easier to put a price prediction is Ethereum and Bitcoin, since they have some of the longest track records, and we've seen for multiple years. On AMP, I don't even have a year to tell you. So I'm being completely honest. It's difficult for me to put a price prediction, but here's the deal. Since I see a great company backing this up, and I see Gemini, where I highly trust because they're really secure. I have all of my cryptocurrencies here. I have a total value of $1,000 of on AMP, more than 10,000 amps at the moment. That is what I believe. I think this cryptocurrency is gonna keep growing. I hope not at the pace of Dogecoin because I would like to see this more steady. But if it does, I'm not against that. I'm not against that. I think that will be very excited and happy because I think what's coming for AMPToken is nothing but more recognition in the crypto community. I know a lot of people right now talking about SafeMoon, Shiba, and Elongate, and way more than a bonfire I've been hearing. It's fine. Let them talk about them, not a problem. But one thing about me is that I want projects to be secure, to be supported by great companies, and it's supported by a really nice company because I've used Flexa before, and I can tell you, I mean, nothing sparks a red flag to me here. Trusted at over 41,000 locations in the US and Canada. I mean, wow, that's fantastic. These are the projects I like to buy in. So back to my Gemini portfolio, I only own three cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and AMP. Bitcoin, it's already there. It's not gonna go away. For more governments try to block it, I believe it's really not gonna go away. And right now, I think it's at a stagnant stage, but it will blow up maybe $100,000. I think that's guaranteed in the upcoming years. Ethereum already $4,000. Everyone, are you kidding me? $4,000. That's fantastic. Like I said, I'm making my money on Ethereum right now. And AMP, I guarantee you, we're gonna be seeing 10 cents. When? I don't know. Completely honest with you, I don't know. But I'll be here to tell you all the updates, and I'm holding. Even if it drops, I think I want to end this conversation on this. Even if it drops back to 2 cents, I'm gonna still hold it because it is a long-term project that I'm buying in. I see the companies backing it up. Two companies, not one, but two. And I just think it's a good idea. And let me know in the comments below if there's something I missed. I know there's a lot going on with cryptocurrencies right now. Even I see the stock market, like I opened my Robinhood and it's going down. My stocks really, the technology sector, the clean energy sector, nothing seems to be working at the moment. I now understand why people are turning their eyes to cryptocurrencies. At the moment it's hot. At the moment is, the thing to speak about, Dogecoin even. But just be careful, invest responsibly, invest smart. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm letting you know, when you find projects backed up by great companies with great visions and the long term seems profitable and trustworthy, that's the recipe of AMPToken. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. More to come, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.